everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you few simple kurti designs with matching color dupattas. These you can wear on daily basis and also in offices too. They are made from plain cotton fabric, but they are styled with different bottoms and dupattas to give it a unique look. So please continue watching to know various designs of kurtis which you can make from plain cotton fabric.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.